were just arguing before I started this recording. He's about to make me punch him in the face.
Nobody was arguing. How you gonna have an argument by yourself?
I wasn't arguing by myself.
I was arguing with you.
We're having a disagreement.
Yeah.
Are you ready to start this video or what, buddy?
Let's go.
Why are you pushing up on me?
To get on your nerves.
Oh my God.
All right.
Hey y'all, it's Nikea.
What's going on, y'all? It's EJ.
And we are the McDuffies.
Cooking with the McDuffies.
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang, gang.
Maybe I'll make a little intro for us.
Marriage, gang, gang, gang. Can't even do it.
Anyway, so this is our first cooking video married. The last one we did.
No, it's not.
Yes,
oh,
it
cooking.
is.
We did the. No, we weren't even married then either.
The first one we did married was the vision board. Thank you.
No, but I was thinking about the Popeyes thing.
Yeah, we weren't married.
Shacking up, living unholy.
Living in sin no more. But today we are cooking a recipe that EJ wanted. I feel like every time we cook it's something that EJ wants.
Because Nikea don't cook. That's a lie.
So today we are cooking a buttered pecan cake. It's a buttered pecan layer cake, okay?
From scratch though.
Yes.
Check all these ingredients out. You can't see them now, but we'll show them to you.
We have all our ingredients pre-measured out, everything. Place pecans in 1/4 cup of butter in a baking pan. Bake at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes or until toasted, stirring frequently. Set aside. All right, so here's our
where's the baking pan?
1/4 cup of butter. You gotta get one. It comes.
Put my nuts on the pan. Shake those nuts up.
All right. So we're gonna drop our butter.
This is, I can't believe it's not real butter.
We had to substitute. And we're trying to be a little bit healthy, you know?
Mm-hmm. What else you do to this?
You just gotta put it in the oven.
You gonna preheat it then? Or you just gonna put it in there while it's preheating?
I'm gonna go ahead and put it in while it's preheating because save energy. Alright.
Alright, what's next? I haven't done anything.
In a large bowl, cream sugar and remaining butter until light and fluffy. Add 1 egg at a time, beating well after each addition.
That's what we got that for, right?
Boom shakalaka.
Yeah, let me do something.
No, it's sugar and butter.
Oh, okay.
Good.
What I gotta do?
Just put the sugar and butter in there.
It's like a mukbang. Somebody's gonna find that satisfying. And then you can just keep putting it on a loop.
More like ASMR, but
Same thing. A community that just wanna see some stuff.
ASMR baking.
Alright, what I need to do?
Add that butter. And it should be room temperature. So, softened.
I'm about to say, it definitely ain't room temp.
Softened.
Get all you can all you get. Sit on the can. Spoil the rest.
Copyright BJP Ministries 2020.
Alright.
BJP is our Bishop Brian J. Pierce.
Tune in. Oh!
The egg should be at room temperature. And do y'all like our outfits? This is our base layer. But we're lounging around the house today. So.
Sponsored by Lidl.
Keep us warm. This video is not sponsored.
No, the video is not sponsored. We just sponsored.
We're not sponsored. There's
We're
no
not
sponsorship. We bought these with our own money from Lidl.
Okay.
Get me in trouble on the tube.
You don't want to overflow it?
No, it's
So you want your blessings?
half a teaspoon, and this is a whole teaspoon. I'll give a little more.
Yeah,
That's good.
that's what I want to make sure it's half.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
Is this flour? Is this flour?
And the baking powder. So we're adding our all-purpose flour and then baking powder.
Right.
Then we're supposed to alternate with the milk.
Why didn't you read? See?
I did!
You don't do good listening. So 1 cup, then some milk, then 1 cup, then some milk.
Yes. So you're supposed to alternate adding the dry. I should have known this. I bake all the time. And I was sitting here like, why did they want us to put all this in? Yeah, so you're supposed to alternate.
If the cake come out wrong, it's not Kia's fault.
It's not. You mean add the nuts?
Yeah, I don't want you to hurt yourself. Probably yeah, it's a scoop. Yeah, it's a scoop in motion. There you go. Yeah, I don't know why you need two cups. I I mean, I like the nuts, but not enough to.
Yeah, that's enough for the top. We'll save that for the top. Set aside.
Hey, oil for the baking pan.
Yeah. Put it on a paper towel.
Okay, you think I ain't never baked before?
And then just
I know how to do the thing.
Right, I'm gonna go find the other pan. And then put some flour on top of that.
My kid talking to me like I don't know how to bake. I've been baking before I even met her. I'm the house bake. Bam. See the way that thing glisten?
Alright, y'all, so I can't find a third baking pan, so we're just gonna bake 2 cakes at a time. And then you do the sides too.
The whole thing is oiled. Okay. Oh yeah. What'd I tell y'all when she was gone? I've been baking before I met her. She gonna try to tell me something about some baking. But
I wasn't trying to say anything. I simply asked a question.
Yeah, save that for licking.
This has raw eggs in it.
I know.
It's not.
Yeah. Again, there she go trying to tell me something about bacon. I know what's on it. I've been licking these since the beginning of licking. I just want to taste this. See what it tastes like. Oh man, that's good. Oh, they got that nice crispy.
Crispy what?
Pecan flavor. It tastes like ice cream. Taste it. Oh yeah, that's good, that dog.
Tastes like flour to me.
That's because you don't know nothing.
Oh, okay. Alright. Just pull the batter into the pan.
Hey y'all, I'm washing my hands, so I don't want y'all to think I'm nasty on national TV. It's gonna rise. There you go. That's like you done. That's like you cooked before. See? That one needs some more. Talk to me about bacon, and I've been baking since bacon was bacon.
Yeah, I think we just put it in 2 pans. I think these are bigger than 9-inch.
Yeah, they probably are.
Alright, we're gonna do 2.
Let's see, yeah.
He wanted to get some batter on his hand. Alright, so the recipe calls for you to split it up between 3 pans, but you know, we don't follow the rules.
We colored folk. We've been cooking since the beginning of cooking. The ancestors tell us what to do. And it's Black History Month. Wait, this for the kids to lick.
No.
Wow.
Raw eggs. Alright, now we have to let this. You let this bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 350. And this is just getting all the air bubbles out, as EJ said.
Can y'all see this? It's going in.
Ooh. Oh, it's thumbnail. The icing. We're going to cream butter and confectioner's sugar in a large bowl.
You know how long this been in there, or you just gonna eyeball it?
Oh, yeah, I was watching.
Okay.
I know what cake was gonna like.
Okay.
Alright, it said you're supposed to have 8 cups of confectioner's sugar. Alright, so here's our 1 cup of butter.
Butter.
Wait, where's the thing? Oh, we'll use this.
Oh, I didn't know you need this one. Alright, butter going in. Call it 4 cups, but we will. We're eyeballing it.
It said 8 to 8.5.
Okay. Well, we right in the middle. We about 8 1/3.
We're gonna start off slow.
So it gets in the batter this way.
Get some of that butter in there. Alright, once the cakes are done, we'll be back to frost it and try it out.
We got a lot of dishes to wash. I've done my part. Yeah.
But we let our cakes cool. This is what they look like. Smell good. Alright. So put that one first.
Why?
No, no. You keep on that one like that. It's gonna be like a sandwich.
Oh, okay.
So this is the icing. It looks more like a drizzle. So.
But I think that's what it looked like in the recipe, the original recipe. This ain't your Aunt Shirley made cake.
I feel like it'll harden over time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. My. Bless your name,
I'm gonna get
sir.
some of these nuts out. The cake is leaning this way.
I told Nikea to stop all that jumping around in here. She gonna make my cake fall, but she didn't listen. Alright, yeah, go ahead. And then we'll use. Yeah, you already gonna be messy. There you go. You got it, sis. I don't know her. There you go.
Alright, y'all. Here is our buttered pecan cake.
Yeah, with a little bit of drizzle on top. You know what I'm saying? Can you zoom in on the cake? Yeah, I want them to see the nuts.
So we're not professional bakers and we didn't level the cake.
Hey!
Whatever.
All we really care about is if it tastes good.
Is it sopped up?
Right, this looks sopped up. Look at that, just a small little, oh, you getting chunk, yeah. We ain't had our lunch yet.
Y'all see that? Look at that. Right. The inside all nice and soft. Some of the dressing on there. Oh God, falling apart.
Mmm.
I need to poke some holes and let the dressing get inside. The dressing. The icing. But that's good there with a cup of coffee. But yeah, that's it for today's video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Try out this recipe. I'll link it in the description box, or I'll just type it up in there because the website was acting crazy. But go ahead, check it out, try it, show it to us. Let me know how yours turned out. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.